Just when it seemed like work was slowing down, a major construction moment suddenly unfolded. Massive structural sections were lifted and installed, while progress across multiple areas of the stadium continued at the same time. Compression ring installation has made strong progress with multiple heavy sections, each weighing approximately 26 to 30 tons, successfully lifted and positioned in a synchronized operation. Key segments, including a central section, were carefully rotated and aligned before placement, showing precise engineering execution. These newly installed parts are forming the main circular structure that will support the stadium roof. And with continuous work extending into the evening, the compression ring is steadily taking shape as more sections are added. At the south goal, concreting work on the superpillars is progressing strongly. Several pillars at the third cantilever level have already been poured and stripped of formwork, while others are fully prepared with reinforcement and shuttering in place. This indicates that the structural joint phase between the superpillars and the upper stand is actively advancing. The third tier is nearing completion in terms of prefabricated seating structure installation. Only a small gap remains, while crane activity confirms that additional seating units are still being positioned. Workers were seen moving prefabricated stands, indicating active installation is still ongoing. The structural base for seating is almost fully in place, and the next major step will be the installation of actual seats on top of these prefabricated sections, which will bring this tier closer to its final appearance. In the core zones, active welding is ongoing across beam networks that will support elevators, staircases, and façade systems. The structural framework is still incomplete, as concrete slabs and enclosure elements are not yet installed. But the steel assembly phase is progressing steadily. Work on sandwich panels has entered a finishing preparation stage, with workers removing protective plastic coverings from installed panels. This step typically indicates readiness for the next phase, likely involving installation of external façade supports or integration with adjacent structural systems. In multiple sections, panels have already been reinstalled after adjustments, showing alignment corrections are being finalized. The VIP ring is gradually being enclosed, with multiple sections already covered using sandwich panels. Additional support bars are being installed in open sections, preparing them for panel placement. More structural supports are now visible across different levels of the VIP ring, indicating expansion of enclosure work. At the north goal, structural adjustments are ongoing, including dismantling of temporary supports and fine-tuning of façade alignment. Platforms are being used for measurements and installation preparation, particularly for the ceramic façade support system, indicating a transition toward finishing stages in this area. A tower crane is actively lifting and positioning a new structural piece at an elevated level of the stadium. The element is being carefully guided by workers as it is lowered into position, with final adjustments being made for proper alignment and secure placement. This operation highlights ongoing precision lifting work. At the same time, additional workers are carrying out reinforcement tasks using tools and materials to strengthen joints, indicating an active phase of internal structural completion. Beam installation continues across the cantilever and corner zones, where cranes and aerial platforms are assisting in positioning large structural elements. Workers are guiding beams into place and securing them from multiple points, while additional structural supports are being added along the front edge. This section is steadily progressing toward full structural definition, with continuous installation of beams and support frames shaping the future layout of the stadium. With the compression ring growing, the third tier almost structurally complete, and more enclosure work advancing around the stadium, the project is now entering another major phase. Every new section, pillar, and panel is bringing the stadium closer to its final form. The pace is clearly increasing, and if this progress continues, the next few weeks could bring some of the most important changes we have seen so far. If you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next update.